Elevate your home with exquisite cupboards from a trusted manufacturer since 1993. At Weizter, we take pride in delivering exceptional quality, personalized designs, and unbeatable customer service. Our commitment to excellence begins with our team of highly skilled designers who offer in-depth and interactive design consultations. Whether you're looking to revamp your kitchen, upgrade your bedroom storage, or enhance your living room aesthetics, our designers are here to bring your vision to life. Say goodbye to lengthy wait times for quotations. At Weizter, we understand the importance of efficiency. That's why our expert designers provide on-the-spot quotations during your consultation, allowing you to make informed decisions without any delay. Crafted with precision and care, our cupboards are handmade by skilled craftsmen dedicated to delivering unparalleled quality. We go beyond just providing aesthetically pleasing designs. We prioritize durability and functionality, ensuring that each piece serves you well for years to come. Take advantage of our limited-time promotional discounts to elevate your home without breaking the bank. By choosing Weizter, you not only invest in quality but also enjoy significant savings. Act now and secure your cupboards at last year's prices. To provide you with peace of mind, we offer extensive warranties on all our products. Benefit from our 10-year workmanship warranty, a testament to the confidence we have in the durability and quality of our cupboards. With Weizter, you're not just purchasing furniture, you're making an investment in the long-term comfort and aesthetics of your home. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to enhance your living spaces with premium cupboards from a trusted manufacturer.